Hello, my name is Major Rohit Mohile.
So I'm Mrs. Mohanika Mohile, a business person and now basically a homemaker.
And I stay in a double-story bungalow in Bavdan, Pune. Due to continuous movement between the first floor and ground floor, I was looking for a lift for a very long time because my knees had started giving me problems, and I was looking out for a lift which would be beautiful, easy to install and have minimum amount of masonry work involved.
And me being at home, taking care of everybody, and a two-story house, it affects me running up and down constantly. The bedroom is upstairs, the main door is downstairs, and that was a big issue for me.
My bungalow is of 1985 vintage, and there was no provision for a lift in that time in the 80s. We never even thought about it. But now when we realized we have to do it, I came to know about Nibav after seeing a large number of lift manufacturing companies, and I zeroed down on Nibav because of the following reasons. Firstly, a very sleek and beautiful looking lift. Secondly, minimum amount of masonry work which was required. Thirdly, it was a single phase lift, not a three-phase lift. The main features over and above this was safety.
When we had decided to install a lift, I was really scared as to how it will affect the look of the house, because you have a different set of image about a lift. But when we came across this kind of lift, it added to the beauty of the house. That corner, it looks as if it is made for that lift. It is adding to the beauty of the house.
There was no masonry work involved, no lift well, no lift room, no set of pulleys, nothing. It's a beautiful installation method, and what they promised, they delivered.
Again, the maintenance of the lift, the cleaning part, that is also a very simple thing. You can just wipe and clean it, and it looks as the way it was when it was installed.
And one more thing about the lift is, when you are in the lift, it has transparent panels, so you don't feel cloistered or claustrophobic. It's a very nice sensation.
I don't know the technical part, but I keep wondering how it functions. There is nothing otherwise. Whenever there is a machinery equipment, you have so many things which come along with it. With this, it is just like a cylindrical, beautiful piece which just smoothly goes up and down without any kind of parts jutting out or screws or some holders or nothing. It is just a smooth cylinder-like thing, smoothly comes up and goes down. It is perfect.
In case of power failure, the lift automatically and gradually comes down to the ground floor. There is no question of you being stuck anywhere between the floors or anywhere. It comes down to the ground floor, and the doors automatically open after reaching the ground floor and parking safely. That's the best thing about it.
It is a very user-friendly lift, so I'm very happy about it.
I am very happy with this lift, and I recommend that anyone who has a bungalow or a set of apartments, they can install this lift from ground floor to the fourth floor. I have got a bungalow, I have installed in ground plus first, extendable to whatever I wish to do.